January is when everyone's talking about goals, but when it comes to real estate on 30A, most people are still guessing. Whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or just wondering if 2026 is your year to make the move, the biggest challenge I see isn't motivation, it's clarity. Prices, timing, inventory, which community is the best fit, it's easy to feel stuck without a real plan. I'm Andy Beal, your 30A Realtor. I help buyers and sellers replace uncertainty with a clear, customized strategy. So you're not reacting to the market, you're moving with confidence. Here's how it works. First, book a quick 7-minute call where we clearly identify your goals. Second, I'll create a custom strategy to help you reach those goals, whether you're buying your dream place on 30A or preparing to sell at the strongest possible position. And third, I'll provide you with a concierge-style experience, guiding you every step of the way so nothing feels rushed, unclear, or overlooked. If buying or selling on 30A are part of your 2026 goals, don't leave it to chance. Click the link below or scan this QR code and book your 7-minute call today. Let's build a clear plan and make this the year your 30A goals become a reality. Until next time, make it a great day on 30A.